A horrific aviation disaster has shocked Brazil. Two helicopters collided in midair over Rio de Janeiro before plunging from the sky onto the city's west side, leaving no survivors. Firefighters confirmed that all 6 people aboard the 2 aircraft were killed. The dramatic crash unfolded over one of Brazil's most famous cities, turning an ordinary morning into a scene of devastation. According to Rio's military fire department, the helicopters struck each other in the air before both aircraft went down. The impact sent debris crashing toward the ground. One of the helicopters slammed into the parking lot of a car dealership. What happened next only added to the chaos. Several electric vehicles parked in the lot burst into flames after the crash.
A gente observou também, infelizmente, que já haviam 5 vítimas nessa primeira aeronave, já em óbito, infelizmente. E encontramos também uma 6ª vítima na segunda aeronave, que estava distante aqui a 100 metros do local. Então,
on the ground, witnesses described a terrifying sequence of events. Fernandes de Freitas, a tire repair worker, told reporters he watched the disaster unfold with his own eyes. According to de Freitas, one of the helicopters was already engulfed in flames after the collision. Then came a moment he says he will never forget. De Freitas claimed that he saw a passenger jump from the second helicopter before it crashed.
Quando eu olhei para cima, eu vi 2 helicópteros, um em chamas e um rapaz pulando do outro helicóptero. Ele chegou a pular para fora do helicóptero, acho que na hora do desespero. Aí um helicóptero já estava em chamas, o outro caindo e o rapaz pulando para fora de um. Cara, foi um negócio assustador, um negócio aterrorizante.
Emergency crews rushed to the scene and eventually managed to extinguish the fire, preventing the blaze from spreading further. But by then, the damage had already been done. Authorities say the cause of the mid-air collision remains under investigation. Investigators are now working to determine what caused 2 helicopters to occupy the same airspace at the same moment, and why neither aircraft was able to avoid disaster. As emergency responders secured the wreckage, another twist emerged. Police revealed that American singer and comedian Oliver Tree had been listed as a passenger with aviation authorities. However, officials stressed that the victims have not yet been formally identified. As a result, authorities have not confirmed whether Tree was among those killed. The development immediately drew international attention. Just days earlier, Oliver Tree had performed a show in Buenos Aires on 4 June 2026. Then, on 13th June 2026, he shared an Instagram video showing himself playing soccer in a Brazilian neighborhood. Those posts have now become a major focus as authorities work to establish exactly who was on board the aircraft. Meanwhile, reports from Argentina have raised questions about another well-known online personality. Argentine streaming outlet Blender reported that YouTube creator Gaspar Prim Diaz, better known to millions as Gaspi, was also aboard one of the helicopters. Gaspi was just 23 years old and had built a massive audience of more than 2.8 million subscribers on YouTube. As of now, authorities have not publicly confirmed the identities of the victims. And while speculation continues online, investigators are urging caution until the formal identification process is complete. And now, investigators face the difficult task of determining exactly what went wrong in the skies above Rio de Janeiro. Until answers emerge, families, friends, and millions following the story around the world are left waiting for confirmation and searching for clarity after a disaster that has stunned Brazil and sent shockwaves far beyond its borders.